Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking the base of a solid bounded by the curves f of x is equal to 2 minus 2x and g of x is equal to x square minus 1. And the cross sections perpendicular to the x-axis are perfect squares. Find the volume of the solid. So let's see how we can do this one. So the first thing is we have to draw the graph. So let's draw the graph first and see what we get. Right? So we have this graph. So first we have let's draw like this, right? So we have the first graph that's going to be a straight line. Since it's negative, it's going to go from this line, this side, and it's crossing 2. So here, let's say this is 2, so it's crossing 2 right here and going from this side, right? And we have another graph like right here, that is x square minus 1, so it means parabola opening up, and minus 1, so it's 1 unit down, so it's going to start from right here. And let's draw this one with black. Okay, so let's say this is the graph. Okay, so this is the graph right here, and this is the area we are with this the volume we are trying to find. Okay, so we have this one. So let's see how we can find this one. So to do this one, the generic equation is V integral cross-sectional area, So this is the generic equation, generic formula. So what we have to do is we have to take a length of this one. For example, if I say this is our length right here, so the length is going to be the top graph. Top graph we know that is 2 minus 2x, and the bottom graph, that is x square minus 1. If we calculate this distance and square it, that's going to be the cross-sectional area. So here we can write this in terms of cross-sectional area, but before we do that, we have to find the limits of integration. To find that one, all we have to do is simply equate these two equations and find the values of x. So here we have x square minus 1 equal to 2 minus 2x. Let's bring everything to one side. So this is going to be x square minus 1 minus 2 plus x equal to 0. So here we are going to get x square plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So let's see whether we can factor this one. X square, so when we multiply, when we add, we have to get plus 1. When we multiply, we have to get minus 3. So plus minus 3, so minus plus 3 minus, wait a minute, yeah, plus 3 minus 1. Oh, this is 2x right here. Yeah, so plus 3 minus 1 will work. Plus 3 minus 1, yeah. So we can separate this one as plus 3x minus 1x minus 3 equal to 0. And if we factor this one, this is going to be x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 x plus 3, right? So therefore x values are going to be plus 1 and minus 3. So this value is going to be plus 1 right here, plus 1, and this is going to be minus 3, right? This one minus 3, this is plus 1. So we have the limits of integration. So let's apply that one right here and find the volume. So this is going to go from negative 3 to 1, and the cross-sectional area is going to be simply the top minus bottom, that is equal to 2 minus 2x minus x square minus 1 whole square dx. So this is the equation we are going to use, and let's simplify this one. This is going to be minus 3 to 1, right? Minus 3 to 1, and let's take this bracket out, so this is going to be 2 minus 2x, and this is going to be minus x square plus 1 square dx. Now we can add this 1 and 2, that's going to give us 3. So let's add this one right here. So this is going to be minus 3 to 1 minus 2x minus x square plus 3 whole square, right, dx. So this one, what we can do is we can separate this one as 2 part and multiply, like minus 3 1, and if I write this one as 3 minus 2x minus x square 2 times 3 minus 2x minus x square dx. So let's multiply everything and see what we get. Minus 3 to 1, and here if you multiply 3 by 3, that's going to give us 9. 3 by negative 2x, that's going to give us negative 6x. 3 times negative x square, that's going to give us negative 3x square, and then negative 2x times 3 is going to be negative 6x. Negative 2x times negative 2x, that's going to be positive 4x square, and then negative 2x times negative x square is going to be positive 2x cubed, and then negative x square times 3 is going to be negative 3x square, and then negative x square times negative 2x is going to be plus 2x cubed, and then negative x square times negative x square is going to give us x power 4. So this is the value we get. So let's add everything similar and see what we get, right? So let's continue this one right here. Negative 3 to 1, and here we can add the similar powers. So let's start with this one, right? Square maybe. Yeah. Let's add all the square and see what. Maybe start with a number. So we have 9 right here. So let's put this 9, and let's add x values. We have 6x, 6x, and those are the things we have. That's going to be minus 12x. Let's add all the x squares. We have negative 3x square, positive 4x square, underline with a different color, 3x square, 4x square, negative 3x square again. So that's going to give us negative 6x square plus 4x square, that's going to give us negative 2x square. So negative 2x square, and then we have x cubes. We have a 2x cube right here, another 2x cube, that's going to give us plus 4x cube, and also we have an x power 4. So this is going to be the final product, right? X power 4. Now we can integrate this one. So let's do the integration and see what we get, right? Can we simplify this one furthermore? No way. So let's integrate this one. Here we are going to have 9x minus 12x square divided by 2 minus 2x cubed divided by 3 plus 4x power 4 divided by 4 plus x power 5 divided by 5, and that's going from negative 3 to 1, right? And if you substitute, first we have to substitute 1. If you substitute 1, this is going to be 9 minus 12 over 2. Instead of writing 12 over 2, we can just write 6, right? So 6, let's write 6 right here. So 6 minus 2 over 3, then 4 over 4, instead of writing 4 over 4, we can just write 1, and instead of, now this is going to be 1 over 5. 1 over 5, and this is when we substitute 1. Then we have to substitute negative 3. The first one is going to be 9 times negative 3, that's going to give us 27, negative 27, minus 12 times negative 3 square is going to be 9. 9 times 12 is going to be 90, 108. So 108 divided by 2, that's going to be 54. So this is going to be 54 minus negative 3 cube is going to be negative 27. Negative 27 times 2. Negative 2 is going to be 54 divided by 3. 54 divided by 3 is what? It's 18, right? 18. So 18 right here. and then we have x power 4, that's basically 20, uh, x power 4 is negative 3 times power 4, that's going to be equal to 81. 81 right here, and negative 3 power 5 is going to be what? Negative 81 times 3 is going to be 243, right? 243. So negative 243 divided by 5. And if you plug all this value in calculator and calculate this one, you will get approximately 34.133, right? And that's going to be the volume of this solid. And that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.